Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Sorry we haven't put up any videos lately. The weather just hasn't cooperated, and we had the Hurricane Helene come through, messed up a lot of our plans and places that we were going to go that just got completely decimated. So we're just here at the house right now. We're going to throw on some chicken on the grill. We're going to spatchcock it, and we're going to use a special seasoning that I bought off TikTok. We'll talk about that a little bit later. And then I got some footage from Rusty Nail. He went to the Sasquatch Festival. So while this is cooking, we'll check that out. The first thing we're going to do to get this chicken ready is we're going to spatchcock it. We're going to take these poultry shears and we're going to cut out the backbone. You get your backbone cut out of your chicken. You're going to take and we're going to open it up, tuck the wings under. Finish cleaning and trimming it up a little bit. Split that breastbone like that. Lay it out flat. Now, we'll flip it over to the skin side. So we are using Neil's Sharp Barbecue Damn Tasty Peruvian All-Purpose Spicy Seasoning and Rub. I got this off of a TikTok shop. This is a low sodium, low salt. It is salty, but not like normal seasonings are, so you can really put a lot on here. And we're going to flip her over, seasoning the other side. All right, now that we got the chicken all seasoned up, we're going to throw it on the grill. And as you can see, we already got one on because we decided to do two. Make sure there's enough for everybody. We're not going for a heavy smoke. We just got it about 300 degrees. And I am going to throw some pecan on there just for a little bit of flavor. But we're not going for no heavy smoke on this one. All right, guys, while we let this cook, let's head over to Townsend, Tennessee to the Heritage Center and check out the Sasquatch Festival with Rusty Nail.
This is Rusty Nails, live on location for Crazy Hillbilly Cooking and Adventures. We're in Townsend, Tennessee for the 4th annual Sasquatch Convention. It's here at the Heritage Center in Townsend, 4th annual. It's going to be fun.
I'm just going to add a couple of chunks of, few chunks of pecan here, just to add a little extra flavor. Now let's get back to Rusty Nail.
We're at one of the pavilions here. This one's very important, main pavilion, because this is where you get your ID checked and you get beer. Check. We're gonna go over here and check out the gift and shopping experience over here, and it looks like they have some games and things set up over here. So we're gonna go see what's all going on.
All right, guys, sorry for the interruption. We got to make us some basting liquid to go on this chicken. So we're going to take us 2 sticks of butter, take some more of our seasoning. We're going to take some minced garlic. And we're going to pop this right in the grill. And we're going to let that melt. And then here in just a little bit, as the chicken cooks, we're going to baste it with that butter, garlic, and seasoning. Keep it nice and moist. Now let's get back to Rusty Nail. All right, excuse me a minute, folks. It's been about 40 minutes since we put the chicken on. We're going to go ahead and rub it down with some of this butter sauce we made.
We can also do the same way with compound butter, can't we?
Oh, yeah. And this is basically a liquid compound butter. Yeah. Mop that down real good right there. We're going to close her back up, give her about another 30 minutes, and we'll do it again. We won't interrupt Rusty Nail again until it's done. So let's go back to Townsend, Tennessee.
Lots of great vendors here at the Sasquatch Festival. Food, t-shirts, arts and crafts. Whole lot of fun. Deb and I were just commenting how there's nothing more southern for breakfast than IPA and pork rinds.
Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed your time over in Townsend, over at the Sasquatch Festival. The chicken's now done. It has reached the internal temperature of 165. So we're going to go ahead and take it off. Me and Junior's going to go up to the house and fix us a plate. We got some green beans and mashed potatoes to go along with it. We're going to come back and give you a taste test. All right, guys, we got it all done, got it all plated, and we're going to give it a try. I'm gonna go in here for a piece of thigh meat. You gonna go in for a piece of breast?
Going for a piece of breast.
Piece of that skin there. Mm. It's really good, moist, not dried out. One piece of that breast. Oh yeah. And we just got some canned green beans and some instant potatoes. We didn't go fancy with the sides tonight.
But still one of my two favorites.
But there you have it, guys. This is our spatchcock chicken. We cooked it on the grill with just a very light smoke, very heavy on the seasoning. Again, this is Neil's Sharp Neil's Sharpa barbecue, damn tasty Peruvian all-purpose seasoning. This is the spicy one. They got different flavors. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you on the next video.